Operations management as a topic to a large extent is about efficiency. And one of the key concepts to achieve this efficiency is just-in-time. Just-in-time is an idea to produce 1, only what the client wants, and 2, when the client wants to consume either the products or services. Let's see the concept in more detail, and let's look at the principles of just-in-time. Just-in-time offers and invites you to produce only the products and services customers want when they want them. Just-in-time emphasizes the importance of perfect quality because to correct the mistake usually takes much more time and resources than to produce it correctly from the start. Just-in-time emphasizes the importance of minimum lead time and no waste on features that clients do not want to pay for. The just-in-time approach is not realistic if the organization is not capable of eliminating the drums that we discussed previously in the video. One of the classic examples of the just-in-time approach in production is Dell. Computer producer Dell established their production practice so that they ordered components and started to assemble a computer only after the client had put an online order and had paid for it. Therefore, Dell became very, very efficient because they did not need storage houses and had zero expenses for their stock. How do we apply just-in-time to services? The additional challenge in services is that consumers consume the service at the time when the service is provided. Let's look at this using a simple and understandable example of a grocery store. Our main hero, Johnny, from time to time needs stuff like bread and milk. In order to get this, he goes to his closest or favorite grocery store to buy the products he's interested in. In order to provide this service, many activities should be completed before Johnny comes to the grocery store. Merchandising should ensure that products are on the shelves, cashiers have to be hired and scheduled for this particular moment. And what is a typical challenge to provide this service to Johnny? Johnny most often goes to the grocery store at the end of the working day or on weekends. Those times are similar to the preferences of other customers. So how do the grocery stores satisfy this peak demand? Actually, their ability to serve Johnny and his friends are dependent upon the constraint point, called the drum point. To serve this bigger influx of clients, grocery stores need to create a buffer. They need to create merchandising before the highest influx of clients come into the shop. Serving the client is considered to be another constraint point. Most likely, retailers need to hire enough cashiers to be able to handle checkout. Similarly, for Evolution Gaming, it's likely that the client's willingness to involve themselves in gaming is different at different points in the week. To make this even more complicated, Evolution Gaming is serving clients in different time zones. If we know our clients' consumption patterns, we could and should adjust our capabilities to the consumption patterns of our clients who are in different time zones. To summarize all this, if we are capable of producing services at a just-in-time mode, then we are capable to minimize waste and lower costs. To achieve this, we have to have well-defined, stable, transparent, and controlled processes. And because of the challenge of simultaneous consumption and production, in services, just-in-time is more difficult to ensure, but it's even more important to implement. What are the buffers you could implement that would improve overall service?